video here. So a friend of mine just had her gender reveal and I came up with these cupcake stands, but honestly, you can use these as centerpieces as well. So I had to share them with you. And of course this is a gender reveal party. That's why you see the blue and the pink both in one video. But let me show you what I got here. I got all the items from Dollar Tree except for the baby bottles. I honestly used Shein for that one, but you can Amazon it. Just get creative, guys. But E6000 on the bigger plate, and it's going to be at the bottom. You definitely have to see the results in the end. Just stick around, trust me. So we're going to use this candle holder again from Dollar Tree. We're going to glue it, and yes, use E6000 because it has a permanent hold and it's not going anywhere. We're going to glue on these clear glass gems and these little pacifiers. I'm using blue pacifiers with the blue bottle, but of course just use the color you need. We're going to glue the baby bottle tilted inside E6000 the top, and we're going to go in with the smaller plate for the top part, just like so. And you are done. Let it dry for 24 hours and this is how it's gonna look. Turned out super cute, and there are the little cupcakes there and the little candy favors at the top, which I can show you in a different video. If you'd like, just let me know down in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, love you all.